So, you want to deliver food on a motorcycle. I'm going to share a couple tips and tricks on what's got me through the last 2 years of delivering. Obviously, you're going to need something to ride with. Make sure with whatever company that you're going to deliver with, make sure that the model bike that you have works with them, because some bikes they don't allow, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, bike, now you need a delivery bag. You can get something like this online for 35, 40 bucks. Sometimes they go a little bit more depending on how big and whatever. And this is my second one of these, and it suits me perfectly for everything I need. My first week of delivering, I had issues with spilt coffees. Some of the bags are only this big that they give you, and when you have this much room inside of a bag, you know, it's bound to tip over. And let's just say that I have delivered a couple coffees that were half full. I did make it right with the customer though. The trick that I learned is go down to your store, wherever you shop, go get some of the fluffiest towels that you can find. Just get 2 of them. Now, once you get your drink order, something small, what you do is you tuck it in the corner back there, and you fluff these bad boys up, and it pins it to the corner, and you're good to go. That's one trick. Another thing you're gonna need, decent phone mount. Honestly, I got these from Wally World. It's my second one, and it's tried and true, because I've hit some potholes in Oakland that would swallow this little bike, and I never had a problem with this thing coming off. And it's 20 bucks, and honestly, I'd put it up against some of the $50, the higher end ones. This one works great. Anyways, find one that suits you, your phone. Another tip that I would recommend is know what neighborhoods you're parking in. Well, sometimes you get in some apartment complexes and might not be the best neighborhood. Lock your bike. Even if it's just turning the handlebars and doing the bar lock, do it. Unfortunately, this guy doesn't got one, so I've been carrying one of these disc locks right here. Let's ride around, do some deliveries, see if I can find some other tips to help you guys out if you want to get started. You know, if there's another piece of advice that I'd want to give people that are starting out on this, is you got to be about your wits. Stay focused on what you're doing. If you start getting a little tired, take a break. Get yourself a coffee, a soda pop, a little snack, something, but you definitely want to keep sharp. As some of you guys may or may not know, I used to deliver on a little Suzuki 650, and she had 118,000 miles, 3,300 deliveries. The first delivery that cracked me up when I was just shaking my head going, I can't believe I'm really delivering this. I got paid 15 bucks to deliver one balloon. I wasn't going down the road with a balloon in my hand. You know, that would look hilarious, especially on this bike. Old fat dude going down the road on a little bike with a balloon. So another piece of advice I'd like to help you guys out with is find something to keep you occupied in between deliveries. Because there's going to be days where you're going to be ready to work, but no one's going to be ordering. Now, that also depends on which platform you're delivering with, because one of them is definitely busier than the other. But, like I said, find something to keep you entertained, whether it's a podcast, a book. I use both. So another thing, when I first got this bag, I was like, heck yeah, cup holders on the side. Well, here's the thing. Most restaurants have their cups with lids. Sometimes they have stickers. They don't stay. Little bouncing around knocks the lid off. bad news. But if there's soda pops that are like closed or anything like that, no problem. Good read. Go get something to eat. Think it might be one of them days it's gonna be slow. There's gonna be days that you're ready to work, but the app's not gonna work for you. When you're dropping off their order, don't put it in front of their door or their screen door to where when they open it, they're knocking over their order. I mean, you could, but you'd be that guy. Yep, pretty slow day. That's only the third one. Make sure you check out the mileage for the trip and make sure that it's worth it, because some trips will take you way out of the way and get you away from the hub of where it's busy. And like I said, if it's worth the price, then do it. I am